is a nation that crawled and walked on the wise leadership of Sarah Kairaba, started to run on the former President Jammeh despite some of the most trying circumstances, and now we are flying in our new Gambia, well equipped with the most important lab for any production and experiment, our very own University of the Gambia, the greatest asset that this country has. I stand here truly glad and proud of all of you. I commend the leadership of your student team for a fitting and brilliant theme that is inspiring to anybody who cares about this country. I commend all of you further for recognizing the obvious links between your theme and the broader national development blueprint, the NDP. Your theme fits perfectly well within the framework of our recovery-focused national development plan, with all the key issues highlighted in your theme well anchored within the framework of our national development plan. The government of the Gambia, on the leadership of President Adama Barrow, who doubles as a chancellor, is proud to be associated with young, dynamic, and visionary youths like you who have decided to take ownership of our development process. Indeed, your theme, the connection between the theme of the 2024 Beauty Distance Week and the National Development Plan is quite an interesting anchor for my deliberation today. For yours is, and I repeat, UTG in the front line, combating climate change, drug abuse, irregular migration, while promoting peace, good governance, and entrepreneurship for a thriving Gambia. This is indeed quite commendable, because you didn't say you are at the back here.